Hello again. It's been a dark and showery end to the working week. The city peaked at 16 degrees from a low of 11. There's been 2 millimetres in the city gauge. Heavier falls through the outer east. Berwick's recorded 22 millimetres, 17 at Ferny Creek and 17 at Monbulk. Winds have been very gusty, up to 82 kilometres an hour across the bay. And most of the state has had gale force winds at times, including here at Port Fairy. They reached 62 kilometres an hour. Wilson's Prom clocked 96 at lunchtime. And in terms of rainfall, Mount Buffalo has recorded the most, 31 millimetres since 9 a.m. And there's been 10 to 20 widespread through these areas, stretching right up from the Otways over the eastern ranges. Bendigo and Swan Hill have both officially had their wettest Octobers on record, 158 millimetres and a massive 286. But today, only light falls for both. A severe weather warning for damaging winds remains in place for these areas here in orange. We should see the winds and rain easing later tonight as this cold front here clears out towards the Tasman. And our Saturday is looking a little bit nicer. Rainfall will be much more light and more isolated. We've got another system set to arrive on Sunday. It'll deliver showers and storms to western and northern districts, but with northerly winds, it's likely Melbourne will be in a rain shadow until dinner time. Taking a look at the capitals for tomorrow, Brisbane is heading for a sunny top of 31, 16 degrees in Canberra and 14 in Hobart. Back home, isolated falls will redevelop near and south of the Divide tomorrow, up to 6 millimetres for the Latrobe Valley and less elsewhere. It'll be cool and mostly cloudy again. Away from the Alps, minimums will range from 6 degrees at Ballarat, 11 at Mallacoota, and then most places are heading for the mid-teens, apart from the Mallee where Mildura is heading for 21. Showers around Melbourne tonight will clear pretty quickly. They'll hang around the outer east through tomorrow. And after midnight, most suburbs are looking at totals less than 5, a bit higher for Pakenham and also the Dandenongs. Yarra Glen should be our coldest spot overnight with a low of 7 degrees and then climbing to 15, 16 or 17. And a top of 17 is on the way for Geelong with a shower or two later in the day. 17 in the city as well and up to 3 millimetres. Sunday should be dry up until at least 5 p.m, 21 degrees. 20 on Monday, windy and up to 8 millimetres in showers. So we are looking likely to break that rainfall record from 1975. And Cup Day is looking pretty bleak. 14 degrees, up to 10 millimetres in showers, which could make it our coldest Cup Day since 1995. Similar conditions on Wednesday, 15 with possible small hail, back down to 14 on Thursday and 15 on Friday. So another showery day, a few millimetres and some higher totals around the Dandenongs. After dropping to 10 degrees overnight, the city should reach 17 and then Sunday looks the best chance of seeing some sunshine finally.
We will look forward to that. All right, Maddie, thank you very much. And that is 9 News this Friday. With rain delaying our coverage of the cricket, a current affair is next. Have a lovely weekend. Good night.